कि AI से वीडियो कैसे बनाएं? Well, you're in the right place. Today we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and its application in video creation. Step 1. Understanding artificial intelligence or AI. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment, using either predetermined rules and strategies or patterns derived from past experiences. Simply put, it's a way of making a computer-controlled robot or software think intelligently. Step 2. Identify the AI tool. There are several AI tools available today that can help create videos. Some of these include Lumen 5, Magisto, and Weebits. These tools use AI to analyze text content and automatically generate a video. They select relevant photos, videos, and music to create a seamless video. Now, step 3, script writing. This is a critical part of the process. The script you provide will guide the AI in creating the video. The more detailed and descriptive your script, the better the output. Remember to include all key points you want to be covered in the video. Then, step 4. Input into the AI tool. Once the script is ready, it's time to feed it into the AI tool. This is usually as simple as copying and pasting the text. The AI tool then gets to work analyzing the script and creating a storyboard for the video. Step 5. Customization. Most AI tools allow for customization. You can choose the visuals, music, and even the pace of the video. You can also add voiceovers if needed. This step helps to make the video more in line with your vision. Step 6. Review and edit. Once the AI has generated the video, it's time to review it. Look out for any inconsistencies or errors. Most AI tools allow for edits and revisions. Ensure the video meets your standards before finalizing it. Step 7. Publish. Once you're satisfied with the video, it's time to publish it. You can choose to publish it directly from the AI tool or download it and publish it manually. In summary, to create an AI-generated video, you need to understand AI, identify an AI tool, write a script, input the script into the AI tool, customize the video, review and edit it, and finally, publish the video. Creating videos with AI might seem complex, but with the right tools and a clear understanding of the process, it becomes quite straightforward. It's a powerful way to create engaging and professional videos with minimal effort, so why not give it a try?